about singing country music is I feel like we get to tell stories in our songs. And we do it a lot. We tell stories about family, we tell stories about our lives, our jobs, just the way we grew up. And sometimes we get to just make up fun stories for no reason. It's like getting to watch a movie in your head while you listen to the song, and I love those kinds of songs because you get to slip into character a little bit. So we've taken a little bit of a dark turn in the show. I hope you don't mind, but I do love a good mystery. That song, of course, was a little bit darker and dramatic, and we got another one for you, another couple for you, actually. This one right here is about a young lady named Jenny. Jenny had enough and she decided to do something about it. This is her story. Jenny